Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Today I am back with another video as promised per my last face care routine video. Today I'll be showing you a natural face scrub that I used to make religiously during a time period in my life where I suffered from really bad adult acne. I didn't have acne as a teenager, and then I hit 22 years old and then bam! So if you are interested in this natural face scrub that I used to make religiously, please stay tuned and watch the rest of this video. Apple cider vinegar, a lemon. I left mine out overnight because you want to do this when it's soft and not hard. It's easier to squeeze out the juices. Next, you'll need baking soda. Baking soda, I got baking soda.
Baking soda, I got baking soda.
Sorry, I can't say baking soda without saying that verse. Next, you'll need sea salt. I purchased this specific brand at Whole Foods. I'm going to be mixing in this container. I purchased this container on Amazon. Here's a really old one I made last year. You can see how beat up and dirty it looks. cleanse. Like, I feel good. I do want to say this, do not, no matter how bad your acne is, do not keep this on your face for more than 5 to 10 minutes. You have to understand, apple cider is very acidic, lemon is very acidic. So you leaving it on past that time frame, you can literally burn your skin. I'm not even kidding. Another thing, this routine should not be used more than twice a week for the said reasons. You can burn your face. So I would limit the use to no more than 2 times a week, and 2 times if you really feel like you're breaking out. So we don't want to burn our face and dry our face and come blame me. Okay, because I learned this from the internet, and like I said, it really worked for me. So I'm hoping you all get the same results. With that being said, this is the end of the video. If you have any questions, any whatsoever in regard to this face scrub, or if you have any comments, please be sure to leave them in my description box below. I'll be sure to answer them. If you have video suggestions, please feel free to comment those down below as well. Thank you all so much for your continuous support. I really appreciate it. And those of you who will be making this face scrub and using it, please come back and give me your feedback down in the comments description below. I would love to hear your experience with this face scrub. I am sending you all hugs, kisses, lots and lots of positive energy. Until next time.